Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this beautiful heart-shaped napkin. It's not difficult, but with Valentine's Day coming, you might want to make these ahead. And you could use white, you could use red. I chose pink. And I'm going to show you how to do these. They're very easy. I do recommend using a thicker material, not a flimsy one. I actually bought these napkins from Amazon, and they're 18 by 18, so they're a great size, and I would recommend getting something thick. So I'm just going to aim the camera down here so you can see and follow along. I hope you hit subscribe, and you can watch other videos of my tablescapes, and I'm going to be incorporating this one into a tablescape next week. So follow along. Don't forget to hit subscribe. First thing you do is you're going to fold the napkin into a triangle shape. Next thing you're going to do, and I'm going to go slow on this because I do find when things are too fast, nobody watches them or they never try them. So you want to fold this in half, and you can see that the tip is up here. So next thing you do, fold the other half, and I'm going more than halfway, like across here. So you kind of want to also center, make sure this part is centered. So that will be your center tip. Next, you're going to turn this sideways, and then I'm going to just start rolling, or not rolling, I'm just going to take this part here, fold it towards the center, about halfway. Take this part and fold that towards the center. Until you end up, your shape should look like this. Next, you're going to turn that away from you, and then having this little hair there, you kind of want to make that sure that is straight. Take this end, you have the tip towards you, fold towards you now, and I'm pressing down fairly tightly on this because I want this to keep its shape. And I do find the harder you press, the better of a shape you end up. It retains its shape better, is what I should say. So I folded it about halfway, and don't worry about those little wrinkles there. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. Next, and now this is pretty much a crucial step. You're going to take, you see this little circly thing here? You're going to take this part of the napkin and you're going to fold it over top, like that. Next, that's the one side. You want to hold that tight. Take the other one, same thing, the little circly part, pull that over top like so, until you end up with a shape that looks the shape of a heart, like that. And this is actually the back. This is what you end up with when you turn it around. That is the front. That is your heart-shaped napkin. Hit subscribe if you like this, to follow along to see other ideas. And don't forget to watch my upcoming video next week where I will be showing you how I've incorporated this into a Valentine's Day tablescape. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give it a like.